In this video, you can learn how to stop redirecting a website domain to another domain in GoDaddy. So let's start the video tutorial. Once we log into GoDaddy hosting account, we need to go to the My Products page. And in this page, we need to scroll down to the web hosting section and click Manage button. Next in this page, we need to click cPanel Admin button, which will bring us to the cPanel Settings page. In cPanel Settings page, we need to click and enter the Redirects section. In the Redirects page, we need to scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see I have only one website domain redirect set up in my GoDaddy account. To stop redirecting the website domain, we will need to click this Delete option. And again, on this page, we need to click the Remove Redirect button. And done, the website domain redirection has been deleted in the GoDaddy account. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.